Have you ever opened a professional report or thesis and noticed the page number, chapter title, or your name neatly placed at the top or bottom of every page? That's called headers and footers. And today, I'll show you how to create them in LaTeX step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. So what are headers and footers? Before writing code, let's understand the concept. Header is the area at the top of the page, whereas footer is the area at the bottom of the page. In LaTeX, the easiest and most popular way to customize headers and footer is by using the package called Fancyhdr. Okay, here we imported the package Fancyhdr using /use package, open curly braces, Fancyhdr, close curly braces. This package gives us full control over headers and footers. So just importing the package is not enough. We also need to activate it using the package /page style, open curly braces, fancy, close curly braces. This tells LaTeX use the fancy header and footer style for the whole document. Let's understand header positions. LaTeX divides header and footer into three positions: left, center, and right. Both for header and footer. You can think of it like a 3-column layout. Let's create a simple header. /fancy head, square braces, L, which depicts left, and in curly braces write my YouTube course. Then put second fancy head, /fancy head, open square braces, capital C, which indicates center, open curly braces, LaTeX tutorial. Now I'm coming toward the right side, right header, /fancy header, square bracket, R, which indicates right, open curly braces, 2026. Create a new page by giving command of new page. Now write here second page. So as I've already briefed that L means left, C means center, and R means right. So here left header shows my YouTube course, center header shows LaTeX tutorial, and right header shows the year. Now let's add footers. /fancy foot, square braces, L, beginner series, /fancy foot, square braces, capital C, curly braces, /the page. It basically shows the page, current page number, /fancy foot, square brace, capital R, curly braces, your name. So now we are customizing the footer. Beginner series is at the left side in the footer. The current page number is at the center in the footer, and your name is at the right side of the document in the footer. So this is a complete working example with the header and the footer. As you can see, the custom text at the top, page number at the bottom center, and your name at the bottom right. Let's remove default header line. By default, LaTeX adds a horizontal line in the header area. Some people like it and some don't. You can remove it by writing /renew command, open curly braces, /head rule width, open curly braces, 0 pt. Let's execute it. This removes the top line. So in order to remove the footer line, we just have to write the exact code but with little bit changes. So instead of writing head, you have to change here the word foot rule width, 0 pt. So if there is a footer line and you want to remove it, use this command. Now let's do something professional. Dynamic headers with section names. /fancy head, square bracket L, curly braces, /leftmark. Using leftmark automatically displays the chapter or the section names depending upon the document type, whereas the page command basically shows the current page you are working in at the right side of the header. So this is most common practice usually used in books, reports, and thesis documents. If you want to remove existing header and footer, because sometimes old style overlap with your custom settings. So to avoid that, clear everything first. You can clear this by writing /fancyhdr curly braces, and in curly braces there won't be anything. Let's execute it. So as you can see that the existing headers and footers are cleared now. So what I would recommend practicing that you have to change your header positions. You can add your own name, use section titles, and experiment with different layouts. The best way to learn LaTeX is by actually writing and compiling documents yourself. And in the next video, we'll continue our LaTeX series by learning about specifying lengths in LaTeX. So for the time being, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.